Hi there, welcome to the series How Much Would That Cost Me? Today we're going to be looking at building an outdoor storage shed. Winter is just around the corner and it's time to store all your summer and fall tools and furniture for next year. You can purchase a pre-made, ready-to-build unit from Lowe's, Home Depot, or your favorite hardware store. But you're still left with the manual labor of building it and a base for it. The first question we have is, where do we start? Our recommendation is to look at the amount of items you need to store first and the space available for this unit. This unit is normally built to stay, so make sure you are ready to commit. Once you have the location and the size that you have available, visit your local hardware store and see the units they have there ready for you. Once you have selected one, make sure you have all the specifications of the unit in order to give that information to your skilled doer. The questions for our skilled doers are: what type of foundation can I have? Depends on the shed that you buy. Some of them will have a kit with them and the majority will not. The popular foundations are gravel, which makes it for an easy, low cost solution. Pavers, which are pre-made, they're pretty strong and they're easy as well. The most popular one is pressure treated wood, an outdoor treated wood, and 3/4 plywood. And the fourth one is a concrete pad. This is the most labor intensive and probably costly option, but the strongest one as well. The second question we had is, how long does it actually take? And most of them said it depends obviously on your foundation. If you can go with gravel, it's the fastest way. Then the pressure treated wood would probably be the second one, along with the pavered blocks. And with the concrete, it's about 7 days to actually set the concrete and get it ready for the unit. But assembling the unit for a skilled doer with all the tools, with the knowledge, is about half a day. And finally, how much will it cost? So we got 4 quotes. The first one, $635. The next one, $800. The third one, $840. And the fourth one, $1,300. So JobJar makes it easy for you to actually receive multiple quotes so you can compare, but also we provide you with useful information regarding those skilled doers so you can make a decision based not only on the price, but also on their background, their customer service skills, their reviews, and most importantly, their availability. When are you able to do this? With all this information, we hope we've covered all the basic information to get you started building that shed before winter hits. If you have any questions, please comment below. Visit jobjar.ca to get started, and don't forget to share this video with friends.